In this video, I'll show you how you can export your Base44 project to Visual Studio Code. So first thing you need to do is open your project which you want to connect. So let's say this one. And then click on this button in top right corner and then choose Export Project as a zip. But keep in mind, to be able to export your project as a zip file, you need to have at least the builder plan. Then once you have your plan, you can click on Download Zip. This will start downloading your app code as a zip file. So wait a second, and once the file is downloaded, you can drag it on your desktop, then right click and click on Extract All and extract it. Then once we have this file, we can open Visual Studio Code and you can just simply drag this file here. And as you can see, this is going to open your app in Visual Studio Code, and from here you can edit everything you want. And as you can see, you have all code here. So that's it. That's how you can export your project from Base44 to VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.